In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a Gua Sha massaging kit. Check these out, everybody. Number one, look at this package it came in. This little box, this little pouch is a burlap fill-in pouch, maybe like a leather burlap. Very nice with a snap closure. High quality little pouch with this thing. And looking over the tools themselves, this is for everybody that doesn't know, Gua Sha massaging is like like been around for 1,000 years. And what you're going to do, you're going to get it and rub it down where you got soreness like this. This one's made for more like bigger muscles like the shins, the calves, the thighs, things like that, maybe around the neck. And you can kind of look, this is very well made, super strong, and it's stainless steel, so it's not going to rust, and the edges have been really well like curled over to give a smooth feel. And the same way with this is made for like the face, the forearms. You can see what I was doing right there on the forearms, and you can bear down as hard as you want or as easy as you want. And it's got a nice hold right here. I really like how they designed this. I've used this off and on. You know, I do a lot of mountain biking and climbing and running, things like that, and I get really sore, and then, you know, I like trying different stuff, and I've been using the Gua Sha method for, you know, years now. It seems to work for me. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Gua Sha massaging kit. See you on the next video.